Hi everyone, I'm Jerome from Cognito Academy and I'll be taking you through O-level physics questions in this series.
Hi, let's take a look at this question, which states that a glass jug is designed so it does not break when boiling water is poured into it and it doesn't become too hot to hold. And then we are asked what the properties of the glass jug should be in this design. And the options we are given is its thickness and its expansion, whether the glass is thick or thin, and whether it expands greatly or little when heated. So let's take a look at the first property, which is that it does not break when boiling water is poured into it. To answer this, we have to first understand why a glass jug will break when boiling water is poured into it, which is the uneven expansion between the inner layer and the outer layer. So to prevent our glass jug from breaking, we just have to have it expand little when heated. Now, the second property that our glass jug has to have is that it cannot become too hot to hold. Glass is an insulating material and its insulating properties increase with its thickness. So, to prevent the heat from the boiling water to be transferred to our hand, the glass should be thick. So in this case, the answer should be B.
If you found this useful, do hit the like button and subscribe for more videos to come.